Hello and welcome to S Computer Education. Today we discuss how to set a screensaver to the computer. For that, right click on the desktop, click on personalize. In settings window, click on the personalization at the left side of the window. Now here click on this lock screen. Now click on this screensaver. In screensaver settings dialog box, you can observe that screensaver none means nothing is there. Click on this drop down if you want to set a text as the screensaver. For that, click on this 3D text. Now to the right side of this 3D text, you can observe that settings. Click on this settings. In 3D text settings dialog box, click on custom text. In this text box, you can type any text. Here I am typing name Sampath. Here simply click on OK. How much time this screensaver should come, we can enter here as the waiting time. By default waiting time is 1 minute. If you click on up arrow, time will get increased, down arrow means decreased. Here without using your computer, nothing but without moving your mouse or without pressing any key in the keyboard, if you wait for 1 minute, automatically you are going to get this screensaver. Now before going to apply this screensaver, if you want to see how this screensaver looks like, simply click on this preview. You can see this is how our screensaver is gonna look. So here we have 3D text screensaver. Otherwise you can set another screensaver, like here I am clicking on this 3D text drop down. Here I am selecting bubbles. So if you wait for 1 minute, you will get bubbles like this. You can see. Now here I am clicking on OK. Let me wait for 1 minute. You need to wait without pressing any key in the keyboard or without moving the mouse for 1 minute. So you can observe that we have got the bubble screensaver. So if you don't want to set any screensaver, for that same thing, right click on the desktop, click on personalize, select the personalization at the left side of this settings window, click on this lock screen. Now click on this screensaver. In screensaver settings dialog box, in screensaver drop down, simply select none. Now click on OK. So this is how we set screensaver. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to S Computer Education channel.